This is Amber eating a donut with her face half paralyzed. Hey Julie, say hi.
I can't just put it on my finger. No, it's so hard.
This is so trash.
Should I smile?
Yeah. Smile for us. You're so pretty. You gotta take a big bite.
Well, that's gonna fall out.
Yeah, but then that's gonna be funny. It's gonna make YouTube royalty. Ready? Big bite. Andrew, I did not know you had braces.
So hard. I'm gonna get it in my mouth. Hey, not funny. I'm making fun of me.
Hey, Miss Doherty, say hi. Say bye now.